Here is how to print a trust ledger in Clio Manage, step by step. Start in the left sidebar and click Reports. This opens the reporting area where you can move into the set of reports used for this task. In Reports, open the Classic Reports section. From there, select Reports and look for the Client Report section. When you find it, click Trust Ledger to open the report setup page. On the Trust Ledger screen, begin by choosing who the report is for. You can generate it for all clients or switch to a specific client if you only need one client's ledger. If you choose a specific client, make sure the correct client is selected before moving on, since that choice determines which trust activity appears in the report. Next, go to Select Trust Account. Here you can choose all accounts if you want a broader Trust Ledger report, or select a specific account if the report needs to show only one trust account. This is another setting to check carefully before generating the file, especially if your firm uses more than one trust account. After that, choose the practice area. If your report needs to reflect a particular area of work, select it here. Then review the report options and configure them as needed for the ledger you want to print. The available options may vary based on the report settings, so use the ones that match the output you need. Continue to break down detail level and select the amount of detail you want the trust ledger to show. Then set the date range so the report covers the correct period. This could be a standard range or a custom one, depending on what you need for your records or review. Once those filters are in place, move to Output Format and select PDF. This prepares the trust ledger as a PDF file instead of another report format. Then choose the PDF report orientation. Select Portrait if that layout fits your report best, or choose Landscape if you need more horizontal space for the information displayed. With all settings confirmed, click Generate Report. Clio Manage will create the PDF based on the client, account, date range, and formatting options you selected. If the file takes a moment to generate, wait for the PDF to finish loading before continuing. When the generated PDF opens, review the document briefly to make sure it reflects the expected trust ledger. Then click the print icon in the PDF viewer to send it to your printer. From there, complete the print action using your usual printer settings. Your trust ledger PDF has been generated and sent to print from Clio Manage.